Hey friends, if you encounter this error, delete other apps this drive has, apps from another device, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now search for Windows apps in the in the search bar, and if you don't find it, then open the file explorer, scroll down and go to this PC, search for Windows apps and hit enter. If you find this folder, right click and try to delete it. You may have to click on continue. If you're not able to delete it, then close all other applications and try deleting it again. So this is one solution, but this may not be the main solution because there may be apps with duplication. So here's what we can do in this case. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, select date installed, this by date installed, and find the problematic app. Delete all versions of that app. Okay, let us say the app in question is the Maps app. So three dots, uninstall, and uninstall all versions of it, and then try reinstalling it. But again, I will suggest one more solution here, which could be the main solution. So this is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable or apply, OK, and then restart your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.